Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to remove the underline from your Shopify footer. First, access your Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, find your current theme. Click the three-dot button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your themes file page. In the filter, search for base.cess. You'll see a file named base.cess. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll down to the very last line. Just keep going to the bottom. At the last line, which is blank, hit enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description and it has the code we'll use in this video. Let's click the copy button here. The script will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste our code into the blank line we left. After pasting, go to the top right where the Save button is. After clicking, it saves successfully. Now when we view our store and scroll to the footer, menu links aren't underlined anymore. You've now successfully made this configuration. I hope this video helped. Bye.